এখানটা জুম করো, 4844, 4843, 43, 46, let us take 4850. Okay, so এটাই পরে আসছি। Let us note down the speed to be 4850 rpm, যদি লেখা আছে rpm. Now let us see what is a voltage. Voltage is 175. Okay, so the voltage is 175 volt, and now we will calculate the time off or the off time. So let us first freeze it. Now adjust the cursor to this point. Now see, the off time has come down to 4.20 millisecond. Okay, the 4.20 millisecond. So let us note it down, 4.20 millisecond. Now subtracting from 10, it will come to be 4.2. তার মানে হচ্ছে গিয়ে তোমার কত,
8.6,
হ্যাঁ 10 minus 8, 5.8, right? So this is the case. Now I think another reading can be taken. 4,000 we can go to 6,000. So
5,500 maybe.
we have increased the speed, very high speed, 5,800, 586, 5830, 5809, 5811, 5800 নিচ্ছে, ঠিক আছে, গাড়ি করছিল 5800. So it will come to be 5800 rpm. Volt is 190 volt. The volt has become 190, so 190 volt. And the time off, so let us freeze it. Now we see, let us adjust the cursor to this point, and we see the off time has become 3.8 millisecond. 3.8 millisecond you can see here. So let us note it down, 3.8 millisecond. Subtracting from 10 minus 3.8.2, so it will be 6. Okay, 6.2 millisecond. Okay, so this is the scenario. আর কি রিডিং নেব?
এটা ফিনিশ করে দিই, বাকিগুলো লেখা হয়ে গেছে,
ওটা কিছু লেখার নেই,
ভোল্টেজ আর নেই, হ্যাঁ এটাই শেষ।
Okay, we are not increasing speed more because as you can see the sound is very high.
And the rated
Also
speed
the
is also 6.
rated speed is 6,000 rpm. Though there is always a overloading capacity, but we are not increasing more for the sake of the safe operation of the motor. Okay, so this is about the experiment. Hopefully,
Now we will calculate the conduction angle.
now we will show how to calculate the conduction angle, etc. All these things, and this is the whole setup. Again, I am telling you the DSO. This is operating, and this is a drive system for the single phase AC motor, and there is the motor we have already shown you, and so this is the circuit diagram again, and this is the data table that we have taken. Few things are left that we will calculate, but before that we will stop the experiment. Okay,
First, we will show one specimen
we will show you
calculation
one
for
specimen
conduction.
calculation for calculating the conduction angle. Then one thing you can see from here, as we are increasing, the T off is increasing. That means T on is decreasing. As you can see here, T off is decreasing
Conduction
gradually,
angle is increasing.
and the on time is increasing because 4.6, 4.8, 5.4, 5.8, 6.2, and at the same time one sample calculation we will show that the conduction angle will also be increasing. At the same time, the voltage appearing across the motor, that is also increasing gradually, and as well as the speed is increasing. So this is a point to observe that by controlling the triac itself, simply a knob, we can control the speed of the single phase induction motor, and this the data proves that theory. Okay. ও কিন্তু একটু ক্যালকুলেটর হলে ভালো হতো হাতে
তোমার মোবাইলটা বার করো।
সো 180 degree minus T off is how much? 5.4. 5.4 divided by 20 into 360. So it will come to be 5.4 divided by 20.27 into 360, 97.2 minus 180 করে দিই। So the result is, this result is 82.8 degree. Okay,
দ্যাট ইজ দ্য কন্ডাকশন অ্যাঙ্গেল।
that is the conduction angle.
আচ্ছা লাস্টটা করে দিই তাহলে
আর একটা সেকেন্ডটা করলে হয়তো
লাস্টটা
আচ্ছা লাস্টেরটা। So this is the last reading 3.8 milliseconds. So this is 180 degree minus 3.8 divided by 20 into 360. So it is 3.8 divided by 20 into 360 minus 180. The result is coming to be 1.6 degree. So basically, as you can see, intermediate portions will be in between these two. So as we see, the conduction angle is increasing, right? The remaining things you have to calculate. The conduction angle is increasing, voltage appearing is increasing, the speed is also increasing. So this proves that using a triac and controlling it properly, we can achieve any speed between its rated speed. So this is the thing. Now this is one sample copy that you have to prepare. We will give you all these things. Observation table. In a fair copy you have to write it down, the serial numbers and the off time, the serial numbers, off time. Also another column will be for on time, conduction angle, output voltage and the motor speed. That actually the data we took here in this way. Then a sample calculation you have to show. How did you calculate the conduction angle? In this way you have to show the conduction angles. Two sample calculations I have shown you roughly, but you have to do it in the fair copies in this way. Then the waveforms that we are taking from the oscilloscope here, these waveforms can be taken by the, there is an option from the DSO, directly we can take the snapshot using this port. The pen drive port has been given. So from here we can take the snapshot of the waveforms. So basically what we do, we in every step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we take the data from the oscilloscope. Then you have to take the printout. The printout not in this way, you have to change the background color to white. Okay, you have to invert the background color and you have to mention what the conduction angle is or the response for what millisecond. In this way you have to give the responses as proof, and then you have to make a graph. In the x-axis there will be the conduction angle. So basically we are varying the conduction angle. The independent variable is a conduction angle, and in the y-axis the speed is varying. So we see as we increase the conduction angle, the speed is increasing in this way. Okay, so this graph you have to make, appropriate title and the scaling you have to provide in the graph. Then you have to write down the conclusion, what you understood from the experiment. Okay, we will send you all these things, the sample waveforms. Okay, we will send you via WhatsApp or whatever the available media is. So in this way you have to prepare the laboratory copy. For the time being you will prepare this laboratory copy and keep it with you. The hard copy we will take later on. For the time being you have to send the soft copies, right? So this is all about for the experiment of single phase AC motor speed control. Okay, hopefully you have understood all these things, And we know there will be many doubts and queries, but we can address those queries during the Google Meet, etc. And for the time being, as you know, in this extraordinary situation, this is the most available solution. Through the video we are showing you the experiments, because it is not possible to physically come over here and perform the experiment. There is a limitation, because we know that through this video format it is very difficult to understand or go through the laboratory experiments. This doesn't happen really, but in this extraordinary situation we had to do this. Okay, so hopefully you have understood all these things.
Thank you.